Today we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions for a quick fractions review. So we'll start off with 1/2 and 1/4. And in order to add and subtract fractions, you need common denominators. So how do we get common denominators? Well, we have to do some multiplication. What I always do is I look at my largest denominator, which is 4, and I see, okay, can I get 2 to be multiplied by something to make it equal to 4? And I can multiply 2 by 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. And if I do it to the bottom, I have to do it to the top to remain balanced. What is 1 times 2? 2. And then we're going to keep this one the same because it's already a 4. Now I add straight across. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then I keep my denominator the same. Do not add your denominators, keep them the same. So 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. I'm going to show you a visual to prove that this method works. So this first cake I'm going to cut into half. And I'm also going to cut this cake at the bottom into fourths just so that we can see what's going on. Okay, so I have half of a cake, one out of the 2 pieces. So I'm going to highlight that in. And I'm also going to add a 4th. But you see how this is not cut into fourths? But down here we have it into fourths. So I'm just going to draw a little dotted line here to show that this is a 4th. And I'm going to color it in with a different color. So now we can see that 1/2 plus 1/4 is 1, 2, 3/4. So let's go ahead and try 2 more. I do have a subtraction one in here. It's the same process, except you subtract the numerators instead of adding. So we have 1/3 plus 1/4. We need these two numbers to match. Can 3 be multiplied by something to get 4? No. So we're going to have to multiply both numbers by something. And the way to do that is to get your bigger number and multiply it by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Can 3 be multiplied by something to get 8? No. So 2 didn't work, let's try 3. What is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. Can 3 be multiplied by something to reach 12? Yes, it can be multiplied by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. If I do it to the denominator, I have to do it to the numerator, denominator, numerator. So what is 1 times 4? 4. What is 3 times 4? We said it was 12. 1 times 3 is 1. 4 times 3, oops. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Now that my denominators are common, I can add the top. What is 4 plus 3? 7. With the denominator of 12. You never add your denominators, you just write the same one down. Now I have 5/6 and 2/4, and I'm going to subtract this time. So my largest denominator is 6. Can 4 be multiplied by something to reach 6? No. So let's go ahead and multiply 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 12. Can 4 be multiplied by something to reach 12? Yes, it can be multiplied by 3 to reach 12. And then it was 6 times 2 is 12. If I do it to the denominator, I have to do it to the numerator to keep it balanced. Denominator, numerator. What is 5 times 2? 10. What is 6 times 2? 12. What is 2 times 3? 6. 4 times 3? 12. And now instead of adding across, I'm going to subtract across. 10 minus 6 is 4. 12 stays as my denominator. But look here, 4 over 12 can be reduced. If you need help with remembering how to reduce, go ahead and watch my reducing simplifying video in this fractions playlist. So what can I divide both of these numbers by? 4 and 12. And we want to think of the largest number, remember. It can be divided by 4. What is 4 divided by 4? 1. What is 12 divided by 4? 3. So my answer here is 1/3. And that is that.